So you just got a job offer and you need to sign it, but no printer and scanner. No problem, because today, we're tackling how to sign your Infosys offer letter electronically using Adobe Fill Sign. First things first, you'll need the Adobe Fill Sign app. If you don't have it, download it for free on your phone or your tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. It is also available for your computer's web browser. Next, open the email containing your Infosys offer letter and locate the PDF attachment. If you're viewing the email on your phone, tap this attachment to open it directly within the Adobe Fill Sign app. If you are on your computer, get the PDF and drag it or open through the app. Once the PDF is open, you will see different options, but you will want to find the Fill Sign tool. This is usually represented by a pen icon or a button that says Fill Sign. Tap on that. The location of the icon button may vary slightly depending on your device, but it's usually pretty prominent. Now, navigate to the signature field on the offer letter. This is the area where you need to sign. When you tap on any empty space, this will reveal options for adding your signature. This may be labeled with signature, sign here, or something similar. A menu will appear, giving you options to create your signature. You can either draw your signature with your finger or a stylus, or if you have your initials, select the initials option. Otherwise, you have the option to create your signature by typing it in and selecting your font. Once you create your signature, tap the check mark or done to save it. The software will also save your signature to use again. Your signature or initials will then appear on the PDF. Carefully place your signature or initials in the correct signature fields on your offer letter by tapping and dragging. You can also resize the signature to fit properly. If you didn't like how it looked the first time, you can go back and create a different one. You can also fill in any other required fields, such as the date or your initials. Using the app, simply tap on the field, then type in the information. Make sure you review the entire offer letter to ensure you've completed everything correctly. When you're all set and confident, look for the share or send option. Then, you can save the final signed PDF to your device, email it back to Infosys, or use another platform, like Google Drive or Dropbox for them to get it. And that's it. You've successfully signed your Infosys offer letter electronically. If you're running into any problems with the app, there is a help section or additional tutorials available. Congratulations and welcome to Infosys.